It's a Taiwanese-American privately held multinational electronics company founded in 1987. Hello guys, welcome to Tech Review, bringing technology closer to people. So guys, जैसे कि हमने अपने पिछले कुछ वीडियोस में बात की थी नियरिटी ब्रांड और उसके कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स की, उसी तरह आज हम लेकर आए हैं एक और ब्रांड और ब्रांड का नाम है ViewSonic. It's a Taiwanese-American privately held multinational electronics company founded in 1987. Today, ViewSonic specializes in visual display hardwares including liquid crystal displays, projectors and interactive whiteboards, as well as digital whiteboarding softwares. The company trades in three key markets: education, enterprise and entertainment. It became one of the top-rated makers of computer CRT monitors alongside Sony, Innovision and Panasonic. The products that ViewSonic deals in are projectors, monitors, viewboards, digital displays and softwares. So guys, this was a very quick introduction to the brand. In our upcoming videos, we will be bringing some of the products by ViewSonic brand. So stay tuned and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.